Hello everyone, I am Nelson Mandela. I was born in a small village surrounded by mountains and silence. As a child, I dreamed of a world where everyone could live freely. When I grew up, I saw injustice everywhere. People were silenced, beaten, and treated unfairly because of the color of their skin. I couldn't stand it. I chose to fight for freedom. They called me a criminal and sent me far from home to Robben Island, a tiny prison in the sea. At first, I thought this prison would break me. The days were long. The work was hard. The walls were cold and lonely. We had only a small window, but even through it, I saw the sun rise every day. It reminded me that life continues even in the darkest places. I spent 27 years there. I learned patience, strength, and most of all, hope. Even in that tiny cell, I refused to let hatred grow in my heart. One of the prison guards, Christo Brand, at first treated me harshly. He followed the rules strictly and seemed distant, even cold. He once told me I should bend, give in, and life would be easier. I stayed calm and replied, "You can imprison me, but you cannot imprison my mind or my heart." Over time, Christo's attitude changed. He came to respect me, and we developed a human understanding. Later, even after my release, we remained in respectful contact, a friendship born from mutual understanding and respect. When I finally walked out, I felt the first taste of true freedom. The air was fresh, the sky wide, and my heart full of hope. I knew my fight was not over, but the path ahead was now open. I dedicated my life to building a united nation. Years later, I became the first Black president of South Africa, not with anger, but with the dream of equality and reconciliation. Dear ones, remember this: freedom is never given. It is something you fight for, step by step, every day of your life. Treat others with respect, choose forgiveness over hatred, and believe that change is always possible.